our robot, this robot, really limited. So this robot can identify your feelings that another robot cannot do it. And then the help, and then this robot also can cure your feeling, make your feeling better, and cure your health. So this is the example. I will show you.
Hi, how may I help you? Oh, let me scan it for you first. Oh, you need to change your bandage because that's fake. Let me change for you the original one. Okay, then here's a pill for you to make you feel better. Okay, so. Oh, let me scan your feelings from the head. I sense you are having trauma of that accident. Okay, so let me help you. Come here. I hope that you feel better. Thank you very much.
Okay, this is another example. So an event is 5. So this robot also can identify something which is not good. So this is the example. So guys, this is the robot. So this is very limited in the world. So just stand in the world so you can find it.